Good day, children. We are going to see about EVS chapter 4 Clothes We Wear. Let's see what clothes. Clothing, also known as clothes, apparel, and attire, are items worn on the body. Typically, clothing is made of fabric or textiles, but over time it has included garments made from animal skin and other thin sheets of materials, and natural products found in the environment put together. Clothes are one of our basic needs. Let's see what do they say. I wear clothes to keep my body covered, said this boy. I like to wear smart and comfortable clothes, said this girl. I wear clothes to protect myself from heat, cold, and rain, said this little girl. What did the early man wear? Children, these all are the pictures shows early man's lifestyle in Stone Age. Let's see their lifestyle and what did they wear in detail. Primitive man hunt for animals to create clothes and boots from animal skins. So they usually wear leaf kind of clothes or animal skin. The animal skin were tanned and they were used for making clothes, boots, tunic and more. The bones and cells were used by the women to make jewelry. The use of clothing helped man survive the Ice Age. They used needles for many purposes including sewing. They made boots, tunic and other garments out of furs, woven plant and bark. The clothes that we wear vary according to season. We wear different types of clothes in different seasons. It is hot in summer, so we wear cotton clothes. They absorb the sweat and keep our bodies cool. It is cold in winter, so we wear woolen clothes. It keeps our bodies warm. In rainy season, it rains a lot. We wear a raincoat or gumboots. It keeps ourselves dry. Our tradition. People living at different places wear different types of dresses. These dresses are called costumes. This is costume of Bengali. This is costume of Punjab. This is costume of Kashmiri. This is costume of Rajasthani. This is costume of Japan. Parka is a type of coat with a hood. It is made from animal skin. It is worn in very cold places. This is parka. And this is costume of Scotland. This is costume of Tamil Nadu. The occasion. We wear different clothes on different occasions, like uniform to school, casual clothes while playing, party wears in parties, and night suit for sleeping. Our age. Children, here we can see different age group of people wear different kinds of clothes. Kids, teenagers, middle-aged people and old people. Or occupation. Some occupations require different clothes to be worn. This is a mark of their identification. Their dress is called their uniform. She is a nurse. And he is an astronaut. He is a doctor and he is a soldier. Sources of clothes. The main sources of clothes are plant and animals. We get cotton from cotton plant, wool from sheep, and silk from silkworm. Cotton, silk, and wool are spun into yarn. Children, the fibers that we get from plants and animals are called natural fibers. For example, cotton, wool, silk, these all are called natural fibers. The man-made fibers are called synthetic fibers. For example, nylon, polyester, etc. The weavers weaves the thread into cloth on a loom. This is the picture of a weaver. The tailor stitches the cloth into cloths of all types. He uses a sewing machine, needle and thread to stitch the cloth. The washerman or dhobi washes our clothes in the laundry. He uses an iron to press the cloths. Well-ironed cloths make us look smart. Evaluation. Why do we wear clothes? What is a costume? Where do we get cotton from? What is the job of a weaver? Write the answer in your notebook. Children, collect the pictures of different traditional costumes and paste them on your notebook. Thank you, children.